I've always wanted to have kind of my own kind of family business for myself and for our kids kind of growing up, and got to a situation where I knew I was losing my job. That was really kind of out of my control, and I really want to have control, I think, of our future, and to be able to kind of make our life what I wanted to make it and have that freedom, to do it. Well, we're looking around our area in Charleston. We had a competitor, but we didn't have any Tikiz franchises, and so it was a golden opportunity for us to kind of get into our area and really kind of take control of the entire area of Charleston. So that's really what kind of drew me to Tikiz.
Also, we want a business where we can hire people with disabilities because we are a special needs family. So that's a big one for me, that we could have a truck where we could train our children, but also others that have special needs, to be able to have an employment and have a paycheck and things. So.
Yeah, it's been a bit of a journey, kind of going through the steps, and meeting Jareth at the start and talking with them as far as our initial reasons why we wanted to kind of get into this or explore this, and then meeting Brian and Danny and the rest of the team. Everyone has been so helpful, and it's one of those things where we have felt like we've been a part of this team for a while, and just walking us, I think, through these last really 3-4 months to get us to this point where we're leaving today with our truck has been a fabulous journey for our part.
Yeah, it's been great.